natural, healthy skin? Casa de Fredo. Naturally. At Casa de Fredo, we take pride in researching the best natural ingredients for our products. Clinical B is a powerful skincare product formulated to address a range of skin concerns. Its unique blend of plant fats, oils, and butters work together in harmony to provide a multitude of benefits for the skin. Clinical B's key feature is its ability to tighten skin. The presence of plant fats, such as shea butter and coconut oil, nourish and firm the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. These fats also maintain skin moisture balance, keeping it soft and supple. In addition to tightening the skin, Clinical B also helps to reduce the appearance of red blotchy skin and uneven tone. The proper ratio and blend of natural oils and butters create incredible anti-inflammatory properties, which alleviates irritation and soothes the skin. So, if you're ready to take the next step in your daily care routine, why not try Clinical B from Casa de Fredo? Clinical B, the all-natural way to a healthier, cleaner, and more natural you.